Hello friends, this is the answer for the recent speaking cue card, which was describe a celebrity who you think is a youth icon. First of all, provide a brief overview of what you will be discussing. Here, start by introducing the person you will be talking about. In this case, we'll talk about Virat Kohli. Mention the person's background, achievements, and contributions. Talk about the actions which make them a youth icon. Express an opinion on the admiration for the role model and explain why you adore them. Discuss any challenges or values that make this person famous in the youth. And in the end, you have to provide a strong outline for your answer for the conclusion. For more 8-band answers, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit Spectrum Overseas Jalandhar. Thank you.